In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review opening balance entries in the chart of accounts register. We'll go through everything you need to know to ensure your financial records are accurate and in line with your bank statements. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to check, correct, and confirm your balance entries easily. To begin, let's first navigate to your chart of accounts. This feature is the backbone of your financial management, so it's crucial to understand its role. The chart of accounts lists all your company's accounts, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. These accounts provide a holistic view of your business's financial health. Finding the opening balances at the start of your fiscal year or when you first set up your accounting software is pivotal. These balances act as a starting point for all your financial transactions, and ensuring they are accurate is paramount to maintaining the integrity of your books. With access to the chart of accounts, look for the register where the opening balance entries are recorded. It's essential to review each entry carefully. When you examine these, you're checking that each account reflects the accurate beginning amount. Mistakes can happen at this stage, whether due to oversight or errors during data entry. If your account balances seem off, don't worry. This step is designed to root out any discrepancies. The next course of action is to correct these amounts if they are inaccurate. Click on any entry that needs adjustment and replace the figure with the correct amount. Remember, it's better to spend time here now rather than leaving errors unchecked, as they can result in bigger headaches down the road. If you find that an entry is too far gone to correct immediately, or if you're unsure about the exact figure, it can sometimes be useful to delete the entry entirely and start fresh by re-entering the correct data. This allows for cleaner, more organized records. Just be careful with this approach. Ensure you have the correct information at hand before re-entering the data. Accuracy, in this case, is key to preserving the clarity of your financial records. Once your chart of accounts register seems right, it's vital to cross-reference your entries with your bank statement. This is where a consultation with your bank statement for accuracy comes in handy. A side-by-side comparison helps verify the alignment between what your software reflects and your actual bank transactions. Discrepancies can occur for numerous reasons such as bank fees or overlooked transactions. This cross-checking process ensures that your financial data accurately represents your business's standing, providing peace of mind and confidence in your financial management. And that's it. You've completed the review of your opening balance entries. By regularly performing these checks, you'll have a firm grip on your financial records, paving the way for more effective management and decision making.